My name is Temi. I'm co-founder of Comey. And on stage with me is John, co-founder and CTO. I'm the CEO. 18 months ago, we started with a project, with a vision and a dream to solve one big problem: transcription of audio and video at large scale, accurately and automatically. Fast forward, today we are launching that program and that web platform. I'm sure many of you in the hall will have at some point recorded audio content, lectures or interviews, and wondered if there was a solution that could help you automatically and accurately transcribe that audio content into text and then use it. Today, that dream has come true. Comey is a web service platform, an API, that helps individuals, organizations, and government to transcribe audio and video content at large scale. Let me leave the stage to John, who will show us the amazing piece of this technology. John.
Thanks, Timmy. So if we've got a video file, the first thing we want to do is to get that onto our system. And that's as simple as uploading the video through the front page. So along with the my email address, just upload like that. Now the video is uploaded. I can go to the dashboard, and the video there is has already appeared there. Now that the video is on the platform, the next thing we want to do is to start the transcription. In order to do that, I just select the video, hit transcribe. Now that's started. Of course, that's going to take a little while to process, so rather than wait for that, I'm going to go into another video now that I've already uploaded and transcribed and go to the next step of the process. So if I select this video here, I may want to take the transcription that's been produced and make some changes. So I select it and I hit the edit. So this is the edit interface. It's basically got three components. The first component on the left is the navigation panel. So you can see the overall structure of the transcript that's been produced, along with the hotspots. I'll explain that a little bit later. In the middle is the text itself, which has been aligned, time-aligned with the video. And on the right is the video itself. And below that, you'll see there's a little quality indicator. Basically, that's an estimate of how accurate the transcript is. So if I play that.
Hi, I'm Stuart Reed, Director for the Program for Executive Development, Module 1. We've designed the Program for Executive Development specifically for people who are in the middle of their careers, people who have come up through the organization in a particular function, in a particular specialization, people who are looking to expand their...
So you might have just noticed there that there are some words that are underlined. Basically, these are the words where the systems, the speech recognition technology's not so confident about what's correct. So if you want to make your corrections even quicker, you can go directly to those hotspots. Of course, in order to make the corrections, we just use the cursor, go to the words we want to change, and it's as simple as that. So I'm just going to go back and take a look at another video that we uploaded earlier. We thought it would be fun to actually take a video from a previous demo conference and put that into our system. So that's it here. It's actually one of the companies that presented earlier, so I'm sure they'll appreciate the extra exposure. So this video is much more interesting because there's actually more than one speaker, and they're speaking in a very conversational style. So it's very, very, very complex task to transcribe that. And I don't think there's any other systems out there that will actually do that today. So if I play that.
EO, right? And Steve Wozniak. So we just had a really great announcement today about 1 billion IOPS per second, right? Which is something that's unprecedented. Can you talk, David, about what 1 billion IOPS means?
Well, you know, on the one hand, there's what it means from a technical achievement point of view, which is pretty amazing considering that a whole rack of disk drive maybe does 100.
Right, so there's some free publicity there for those guys. So once we're happy with our transcript, once we've edited it, and we're ready to use it in some other downstream application, there's a few things we can do. We can export it as a PDF document. It's a very simple document that we can already read the transcript from. Or if we prefer, if our application is another downstream web app, for instance, we might prefer to get the export into XML format that could be ingested, for example, into an index for text search inside the video. The last thing that we can do is we can actually publish that directly to other third-party services, such as YouTube, Vimeo, etc. So that's our app's directly connected to those services. Voila. So the last thing I can show you just quickly is, so this is the web app that you've seen there. There's also the API. So we have a documented API where people can go and take our service and build their own applications on top of that. So that's it from me. Back to Timmy.
Fantastic, thank you. Imagine when we are able to transcribe all the growing video content around the world. We will then be able to do one thing. The same thing that Google has done for text, we'll be able to do that for video. Search within video and across your video libraries. Thank you.